Good morning, students. Good morning, students. In last lecture, we already started our unit number 1 non-traditional machining processes. So again, I will repeat. So it is a group of processes that remove excess material from the workpiece by various techniques, either mechanical, thermal, electrical, chemical, or the combination of these energy without the use of any sharp edge cutting tools. So that all processes are comes under the non-traditional machining process. So need of non-traditional machining process, this point is also already we discuss. In that, different non-traditional processes are AJM, WJM and EDM. Up to the EDM process, we discuss working principle, construction details, advantages, disadvantages, and the application of process. Today, in this lecture, we are going to study the wire electrical discharge machining process. Wire electrical discharge machining is nothing but same as EDM process. So the wire electrical discharge machining EDM principle is same. The main attraction of WEDM over the conventional machining is that this technique uses thermoelectric process to erode the undesired material from the workpiece. That means thermal as well as electrical energy is used to erode the material from the workpiece. So in construction details, so it consists of thin wire, power supply, dielectric fluid, circulation line, servo control, tool feed mechanism and work. So we will see in electrical discharge machining also, tool is act as a negative terminal and workpiece act as a positive terminal. So terminals are connected to DC power supply to create a potential difference between the work and the tool. So in this machining process, the basic working principle is depend on thermoelectric process and material is removed through the erosion process. So in case of construction details, tool act as a negative terminal, work as a positive terminal, and terminals are connected to DC power supply to create a potential difference between work and the tool. Now in this slide, the wire electric discharge machining construction details are given. So dielectric supply we are using, wire diameter, spark gap, slot, wire guides, reel and the workpiece position. Everything is mentioned. Now regarding the working principle of wire electrical discharge machining. So this process is similar to the contour cutting with a band saw. A slow moving wire travel along a prescribed path, cutting the workpiece with a discharge spark. Wire should have sufficient tensile strength and the fracture toughness. The wire is made of brass, copper or tungsten, about 0.25 mm in diameter. Now we will discuss the working step by step. So this process is similar to the contour cutting with a band saw. That means as per the requirement, contour is marked and wire is moving along a contour. So this is similar to the band saw working principle. A slow moving wire travels along a prescribed path, cutting the workpiece and discharge spark. So when this wire is travel along a prescribed path, that time the due to the potential difference between workpiece and the wire, in this case wire act as a negative terminal, workpiece act as a positive terminal. There will be a gap between wire and the workpiece filled with dielectric fluid. So due to the potential difference, there will be a generation of spark. That spark is nothing but movement of electron from negative terminal to the positive terminal. So during this process, the electrons are moving from negative terminal to positive process. So dielectric fluid will get ionized and it will produce a ions. That ions are moving from positive terminal to negative terminal. So spark is nothing but the cyclic process of movement of electron and the ion from negative to positive and positive to negative terminal. So in this process, the spark is produced and the spark is used to remove the unwanted material from the workpiece. The wire is made up of brass, copper or the tungsten material and is having about 0.25 mm in diameter. So this is about the working principle of wire electrical discharge machining process. Next, this slide is giving the process parameters need to set during the WEDM process. Voltage range, current range and the gap pulse duration details are given. Application of WEDM process. Basically, WEDM is used to drill a small holes and WEDM is used milling to machine a complex shape. So, for our conventional machining process, drilling operation, it is very difficult to drill a small hole with long length. So this process can be achieved by WEDM process. So WEDM milling to machine a complex shapes. Complex shapes can be machined by this WEDM process. Next, WEDM can be used to make a parts with irregular shape with precision for forging press tool, extrusion dies, cutting tool dies. Now WEDM we are using for making a parts of irregular shape with precision of forging press tool. So this process is used to manufacture forging press tool, extrusion dies, cutting tool dies. This is about the application of WEDM process. Now in next we are going to study the laser beam machining. So this figure is giving the details of laser beam machining process. So it consists of flash lamp, reflective end, laser crystal, partially reflective end, lens, workpiece and the power supply. Now laser beam machining in LBM process, it is also called as LBM process. In LBM is focus and the workpiece which melts evaporate the portion of the workpiece. So basic in this process the laser beam is used for the machining purpose. So in LBM laser is focused on the workpiece, which melts and evaporate the portion of the workpiece. So in this case, low reflectivity and the thermal conductivity to the workpiece surface and low specific heat and the latent heat of melting and evaporation increase the process efficiency. In this case, low reflectivity and the thermal conductivity of the workpiece surface, low specific heat, these are the properties of the machining process. So low reflectivity and the thermal conductivity of the workpiece surface will improve the process efficiency. So regarding the application, holes with depth to diameter ratio of 50 to 1 can be drilled. So example, bleeder holes for fuel pump covers, lubrications holes in transmission hubs. Regarding the electron beam machining process, so in next lecture we will going to study the laser beam machining process and the electron beam machining process in details. Thank you.